Is it time to spruce up your yard? And is your grass not looking that great? Here at AMS Landscaping, we now offer sod installation. That's right. We can actually kill, spray off, remove, and install all new grass at your home. Or maybe you don't have grass now and you just want grass installed. We can actually do that here. I'll make sure to get some B-roll so you can see a recent project we were doing here in Phoenix and show you that it's actually a really easy process that can be done in a day, maybe two if there's some prep work, and depending on the size, and we can get this done for you. All you have to do is reach out to us. You can check out our website at AZ Lawns or give us a call at 602-944-0421, and we'll get you a quote for your property and to get your lawn revived and looking super green for the springtime and summer months here in Phoenix, Arizona. Once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels and find us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Also check us out on X at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.